A loss of 4.7% in Optimism is forecast by June 11 per digital coin price. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. As of right now, Optimism has dropped 0.2% in 24 hours and is hovering near $0.0961. Let's examine the analysts' market views. Crypto Predictions expects a move toward $0.0995 tomorrow, meaning an increase of approximately 3.6%. Optimism is expected to move higher to $0.0987, according to coin price forecast, a gain near 2.8%. CoinDataFlow highlights the possibility of approaching $0.0963, a potential increase near 0.3%. A separate outlook released by Digital Coin Price projects Optimism could test $0.0915 on the downside, a decline of approximately 4.7%. And lastly, Traders Union puts the target at $0.0871 by tomorrow, a 9.3% decline. This is the highest profit potential forecast. Those were 5 analyst views for tomorrow. Let's keep going. After combining all the analyst predictions, here's the full picture. Based on the forecasts we've just reviewed, the potential swing in price may be from a decline of 9.3% to a rise of 3.6%, depending on the analyst. It's clear that Traders Union expects the highest return with 9.3% gain in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could net between $3 and $93 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probabilities, CoinDataFlow's forecast takes the lead, holding a 98.3% chance of success. By merging all 5 forecasts, I've established a single consensus view. According to the consensus, Optimism is expected to move toward $0.0946. Let's check the details. The consensus scenario highlights a 1.5% drop under today's conditions. To put it another way, your capital could increase by 1.5% as well. For a 1,000 example, this could show a potential profit of around $15. So the chance of the consensus forecast playing out stands near 96.9%. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. Crypto Predictions predict steady gains ahead. Additionally, Coin Price Forecast expects Optimism to rise over the next few days. CoinDataFlow expects Optimism to decline steadily. Likewise, Digital Coin Price notes bearish momentum building up. A slide is similarly anticipated by Traders Union, with pressure on the downside. Consensus estimates indicate that Optimism will trade lower across this horizon. Altogether, 60% of analysts share a bearish short-term stance on Optimism. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Let's see how they compared with reality. In the end, the last candle closed at $0.0967. The majority of predictions turned out correct on the direction. Looking at the numbers, CoinDataFlow turned out most precise. Now let's break things down step by step. The candle contained 2 forecasts yesterday. For ROI, a few analysts showed profits, with Digital Coin Price leading the positive group at 4.8%. Here's the results table, a clear look at how things turned out. The stats list CoinDataFlow with accuracy, 94.5% forecast probability, and 2.5% ROI. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest to the actual move. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's projected performance in percentage terms compares for Optimism and the others. Among all forecasted returns, Optimism comes out on top with 1.5%. We're looking at a limited group of 5 coins, and a wider range of crypto forecasts is already on my website. If this helped you skip the endless charts and focus on what matters, please like the video. Talk to you soon.